Hello everybody, welcome back to the Minecraft Let's Play video, and my name's Face the Ace, and today we're on a building world. So in this world it builds. Yeah, not much fun, but I'm in 1.8.1, I'm in 1.8 update. It's pretty huge. I got a bunny in front of me. The potion of raffle. There's also a potion of leaping to the jumps. So I'll show you how high jump I have right now. Pretty high. I can jump over 2 blocks. Whee! So if I just show you, like, there's some neat textures of the blocks in your inventory, but I don't think they look different when you place them. Look at that. Like, look at that. Okay. Sponge looks different, and then there's a wet sponge. Yeah. So all of this sandstone, granite. Granite is so weird. The grass blocks are different. They have more grass on them. The ores. I don't like the ores. Whatever. Never mind. I don't like the ores in this. Like, you made it too oily. Is that even a word? Oily. No weird. No. But I guess it could be. I'm trying to show you stuff that I want to miss. So there's all this. There's all of this. That's what this. So if I go to, they're not that, and then there's some more stuff that's I will do like maybe like showing what the new stuff is in like this update, maybe like a later video where I'm gonna show you what they have. Not gonna do that. They have some new spawner that you can spawn on. Oh, you can spawn a witch. Finally. You can find I think you can spawn a witch. Yeah, you can on. I don't know what to play. Ooh, Guardian. Yeah, sheep now drop mutton. I can't say it. I don't care. Can't speak English today. Just see how this looks. Hopefully it's not gonna do I guess it's a mob. So I guess I will go in peaceful, but then I'm gonna like that. Oh, look at it. So weird. Ugh. I don't want to see that ever again. You don't know how to play on peaceful. I saw because creepers, they can blow up stuff. Is that broken? Has there been an explosion there? Fly! There we go. Oh good. Just, oh wow. Look weird. That exploded. So that'll just be like a little bit of that. And if you don't know what I'm doing in this video, I'm gonna be building a police car. Yeah, that's right, police car. I was just showing you around stuff. I mean, that's like a jail. We've already building that in the next video today. It's all about police car. But oh, so I'm falling down. If I even just go in my inventory to get what I need. I already have everything. So I put a bed in. Sometimes I forget. I don't know, girl. What? Who said that? Okay, so still trying. And if you don't know why my game volume is totally off, it's because I turned it off. So I didn't really turn it off. Too loud. I'm going F11 for a second. Sorry guys. So 4. 11 again. Maybe to go with this, maybe if I just try this. Options. Sounds. The music's off. No, it's on. Yeah. Okay. So done. And let's have it. So I was thinking it'd be like this. Oh no. Maybe this. Just build up. And I just destroy that. There we go. Bring that over like by 3, that's good enough. Let's take a look at this card. Put it above for here, like no. Sorry. Where these cards. So I guess I need to refine this. It's not supposed to be blockage. Kind of. What? It's in the ground. Okay, that's not much. I hate how I can't fly as easily. Underneath. Oh, that was a lag. Some lag. A lot of lag. What's not enough? Is that good enough? Is that not enough? That's tall enough. This is tall enough. Okay, so now I take this. They have iron trapdoor, that's what we call it, wooden trapdoor. They literally named it wooden trapdoor. If I get some glass. I guess I'm going to use stuff. Moving my microphone a little bit, that's right. Here, grab my glass, the glass. Oh, you can't see. Get my glass. I'm gonna make this like one even rest. I can hear the ice cream truck. Okay, how tall is that? Let me just break this thing. You don't have to break this thing. Okay, I make it like that. You. What? You worked last time. Oh, go down. I hate this. I hate these damn walls. There we go. That works. Go down! Finally. They don't give us up enough controls. So. Okay, so that's pretty good right there. Oh my god, I'm still gonna fix some stuff. I'm gonna fix some lag. I'm not playing the version anymore. I don't like it. It's so laggy. Done. Okay, let us go right here. I don't know, I haven't been talking much, guys, because I've been in like focus mode. This was like really silent video. Okay, I'm gonna talk now. Okay, so now I'm gonna like talk like really. So let's just get ready into the building. Sewer store right there. I think Birch would look better. Yeah, let's try Birch instead. No, never. Birch. 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 Ooh, ooh, ooh. Detail. Okay, so that's good enough. And then I'm gonna go these guys jump in and one seat. Another. Water. Yeah. So this. Yeah, you stand all driving. Woo! Woohoo! You're just I got one. I can just use this. Choose spruce. Okay, and just to make sure that it's a police car, you have to do one. This is the game. You can't have a police car without sirens and lights. Alright, I still have the wheels. Let's Yeah. 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 Wait, I'm gonna be coming. I'm coming, wait! Sorry guys, that was a I don't know what's happening. Fly up. One grab Oh my god, you gotta be kidding me. Okay, blue over here, now the red over there, and done. Well, that's our police car right there, guys. It looks so bad on this. Fix it up. There you go. Now it's a police car.